Check it out, pranksters. Look what I have right here. It's a hot and ready pizza from Little Caesars.
Pizza.
These go for $5.99. Now, have you guys ever wondered if it's possible to sneak a whole pizza into class without getting caught by your teachers? It's possible, alright? So I'm gonna show you how it's done and how simple it is. So stay tuned. So here's my pizza, guys. This is a standard size. It's an 8-piece pizza. It's pepperoni, just how I like it. I know a lot of you guys like other stuff, but anyway. This is what I want to sneak into class, and this is what's gonna keep me from starving in class. So I'm gonna need the box because I want to keep my pizza warm and hot and ready, right? We're gonna stick to their motto. So I'm gonna set this aside because let me show you what else we're gonna need for this. So I went to my local 99 cents only store, and for the prices that they have now, I was quite surprised that they kept it at 99 cents. I was able to get this thermal bag. Now the thing about this bag is that anything that you put in there, if it's cold, it remains cold. If it's hot, it remains hot. So it'll keep its temperature for long. And what also caught my attention was the size. Look at that, just big enough to store my Little Caesars pizza box. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this Little Caesars pizza and put it inside this thermal bag. So we're gonna flip this upside down because we don't want this to be showing, and you'll see why in a second. Now that it looks like this, we just take our pizza box and insert it in. Once fully in, we just clip the endings so nothing comes out or nothing goes in. It's sealed shut. So we're gonna use our backpack to cover it up as much as we can. And the straps for this backpack actually come in handy because they're gonna grab onto the thermal bag. Here's an example. You wrap it around the bag on one end and you do the same to the other side. And that's it. You show up to class, they ask you, what's that? Well, you just tell them it's a little present for somebody. What you guys don't want is for the logo on the back to show. None of this should show. So that's it. You arrive in class. When you get hungry, you just easily remove your backpack, open up the so-called present, and there's your pizza right there, ready to be eaten. And you can even share with your friends. That's 8 slices of pizza that will keep you from starving in class. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to give this video a like so we keep making these videos for you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Pizza.